boutique at Bandra West, and I have with me Sanam, and she's going to take us around this beautiful shop and show you what you can buy for your baby. Come, let's take a look. So what are you going to show us first?
First, I'm going to show you your baby beds. So this
Okay.
is basic baby
Come.
beds in it.
So this is a baby bed, and we need to make sure that the baby's bed doesn't have any additional things inside it. Also, make sure that the mattress is really firm. Alright, what else do you have for the baby?
So we've got a couple of blankets.
Okay.
We've got towels.
So for sleeping, you have a lovely cotton blanket for the baby.
That's right.
So that is absolutely non-allergic for the baby's skin.
Non-allergic.
Awesome. And you have lovely prints in this as well.
That's right. We've got all our prints up here.
So different colors for boys and girls. Awesome. Okay, so besides this, we need to obviously dress babies as well. So can you show me some nappies and...
Sure. Yeah. So we've got a couple of jablas here.
Okay, so here are some front open little shirts for the baby. Make sure you have front open ones. It's really easy to dress babies. And again, as you can see, she's got lovely colors. And they're so beautiful, and I'm going to start shopping as well. Right? Okay. And these are your nappies, the ones with the strains. And then she has what she calls langots.
Langots.
Langots. And these are square nappies as well. Now, if you're worried that your baby is going to soil your clothes, then you can use one of these amazing diapers or nappy liners, as she calls them. Thank you. And it's got nylon inside, which will help to keep the baby dry, and that's really amazing. Okay, all right, let's move on. What else do you have?
Would you like to see some towels?
Sure. Okay.
Yeah. So we've got different types of towels. We've got hooded ones. We've
Okay,
got
so
ones
that
without
means
the
we
hooded
can
one.
cover the baby's head and the baby doesn't feel cold then.
Yes.
That's so interesting. And then you have open ones as well. So really, mothers can make a choice whether you want the hooded variety or you'd like to take the ones which don't have a hood. Okay, sorry. Let me keep that aside for you. Okay. Alright, so what else can we buy for the baby?
You've got all your bathing products here. So you've got
Okay.
different brands from Mothercare to Johnson's,
Okay.
Fowlin, Pigeon. So you've
Alright.
got all your brands here. You've got a couple of newborn mosquito patches as well.
Okay. And she has some interesting things for the baby to sleep in if you want to make the baby sleep on the bed next to you. And then also if you want to collect your baby's nappies, there's this really cute nappy pail.
So basically when you do that, you have the pail and you can dispose of the diapers with the pail.
Wow, that's awesome. So that the mother doesn't really have to touch anything.
Exactly.
Okay. We also have a baby bather. So we could be bathing the baby in this chair if the mother doesn't want to bathe the baby in the traditional way as on the legs. And then you have a rocker for the baby. This is going to keep the baby amused with some music and some rocking movements. So if you think that your baby is being very fussy, then that's something that you could use as well. For the mother for nursing, Sanam showed me something which is absolutely new in the market, and that's a nursing wrap.
Yeah.
So the mother can actually cover herself up and feed the baby in complete privacy in the middle of a shopping mall. So I can see some really nice car seats. Are those seats for the cars?
These are 3-in-1s.
Okay.
So you can even use them. You can use them as a rocker.
Okay.
You can use it as a carry cot.
That means you can carry the baby around. Awesome.
And you can also use it as a seat.
Okay, so it can be strapped into a car. So that really makes it very safe for your baby and keeps the baby free from accidents.
That's right. You've got safety belts as well.
Awesome. She has some really cute gift ideas for mamas. So if you have a friend who is expecting or going to have a baby, Sanam, you want to tell me a little bit about this?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We basically make diaper cakes and baby trains, baby motorbikes, all made out of products which are useful for a newborn baby. So for example, something like this, it has a baby blanket.
Okay.
It's got a brush, a comb, powder puff, rattle, mittens, booties, a bib, a zipper, and a lot of rompers inside.
Wow. So I think I want to take this home with me, but I don't have a baby. So I'm going to wait for a friend to get pregnant and then buy her this as a gift.
For sure.
Okay,
Always.
and I think the last thing that you wanted to show me was those cute little one-piece rompers that you have.
Yes.
Great, come let's take a look.
Sure.
Yeah, so
So these are
these are
rompers.
one-piece ones, so it makes it really easy to change the baby's
That's
diaper
right.
when the baby's soiled it. Wanted and worth the wait, okay? And I spent 9 months on the inside. Nowadays, babies have an attitude, is it? And don't bug me. This is really good for those elderly aunties who come to visit you, so they get the message loud and absolutely clear. Okay, the shop is full of beautiful things, and we just had a little girl here who was going crazy over what she wanted to buy, and that's what mamas are going to be as well. So thank you so much, Sanam, for your
you.
time. You've really made this a pleasurable shopping experience. I'm sure you're going to have fun shopping for your baby. And if you need any help from Sanam, you can definitely get in touch with her at the Baby Boutique, which is on 16th Road in Bandra West, Mumbai.